In this video, we'll guide you through the installation process of synthetic grass. After preparing the ground, we carefully lay down the synthetic grass, aligning it with the border and securing it in place by drilling it into the frame below. We meticulously measure to ensure a perfect fit within the designated area. To prevent any movement, we secure the grass by nailing it to the ground. Finally, we add sand, remove excess sand with a blower, and meticulously comb through the grass for a flawless finish. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.